why you guys enjoy watching me. I'm just a mess. Hey everyone, today I'm going to be doing a first impression video on the Huda Beauty Amethyst Obsessions palette. This retails for $35 Canadian and is limited edition from what they say on their website. You get 9 beautiful purple shades. Now I did a arm swatch video of this, so I will put that up in the cards. Arm swatches don't really do anything, but I still like to do them for the people who do enjoy them. Personally, most of the mattes were not good swatched. They were very sheer and even layered. They were not good, so I'm curious to see how it will translate onto the eye. It was my favorite color, so of course this was the first one I had to pick up. I also picked up the Topaz Obsession palette, which I will do a video on next. But yeah, so let's just get into the first impression. I have no idea what kind of look I'm going for, so we're just gonna jump right in. With the Anastasia Beverly Hills brush, I'm going to go into the lightest matte shade, which is right there. And I'm just gonna put that in my outer corner and begin to blend into the crease. And as you guys can see, I'm only doing one eye, so I'm gonna try to be as close as I can to you guys so you can really tell what's going on. That's already more pigmented than on the arms, so that is promising, I suppose. Does anyone else make faces when they do their eyeshadow? Like, I know people do it with mascara, but I do it when blending and stuff. It's weird, but okay. What do we think about that pigment wise? I think it's pretty good for only dipping in twice. With this brush that you get with ABH palettes is some of them are scratchy, which this one is, but it blends out well and it's good for like slowly building color rather than going boom, because you don't want to go boom and then, you know, get screwed over. I'm gonna go in with the JH30 and I'm just using that bare, and I am just gonna begin to blend this out. I think I'm gonna try to do a softer look, but we'll see where it goes. Does anyone else have really shaky hands? Because my hands are super shaky. Ever since I had the seizure, I've been definitely more shaky. And I will definitely be doing a video on like my whole health situation, since it's pretty bad, but you know, makeup is my escape. This is the thing that bugs me. These are shedding. That's kind of not making me happy about the brush set. Second lightest, which is that purple shade. And I'm going to just do the same thing. I'm going to build the color up in the outer corner and then move it. This brush is clean, it's just stained because lots of brushes enjoy staining for me. Now, this definitely does have some pigment, but it's nothing amazing, which sucks. But we will see. We'll see if it blends, because this is the one of the colors that was super sheer. I'm going to take this BH Cosmetics blending brush and I am just going to blend this out. I really want to love this palette because it's purple, and anything purple I want to give a fair shot. I don't know how I feel about it yet. It seems to be blending alright though. I'm just going to build up the intensity of that shadow. We're gonna go into some metallics because I've heard that the darkest shade has ruined some people's looks, so we're gonna try this. I'm gonna take the purple shade and I'm just gonna go from the inner corner to 3/4 outward, and I'm taking that on a JH41. We'll see how this is dry. This is my favorite brush for applying metallics and stuff because usually it picks up pretty well, but we'll see. Alright, well, let's just, because if I have to use spray, that's fine. I don't mind doing that at all. Half the time I'll use my fingers for metallics and stuff like that, but okay. Primer spray. That is much better. like most metallic eyeshadows, you need to use it wet for it to look good, which it kind of sucks when you have to do that, but this is a aw. This shade alone might make me keep this palette. If anyone knows a dupe for a shade like this, let a girl know, because that is what I've been looking for my entire life. My allergies are so bad. I never put on a full face of makeup because I can't, because I just want to itch my face because of how bad my allergies are. I'm mainly allergic to my cats, so it's just funny because I have 3 cats and I want to get another one even though I'm allergic, so it's like what you can do. We're just pulling that into the corner. Like, can we talk about this? It's gorgeous. I'm loving it. Do I want to risk fucking it up? Not really. On my inner corner, I'm gonna take that pink shade right there. I'm gonna put that, I just said I was gonna put it in my inner corner. So I'm gonna take the JH39 and I'm gonna grab that pink shade. Oh my. This combination here is my life. Oh my god. Well, your girl is officially hooked on this palette. Thanks, Huda Beauty. No, just kidding. I'm actually glad I like these. I'm hoping that I end up wanting to keep this because I really don't want to return it because those shades are gorgeous, so. But this is a $35 palette, so. JH30 brush, and with no additional product, I'm just gonna blend from the outer corner upwards into the crease, since we added that purple and we want to begin to make it more of a seamless blend. And like, I'm not a professional makeup artist, like I'm not good by any means. I do it for fun. I definitely have a lot of stuff I need to learn, like I'm not good at cut creases and all that stuff, but you know, makeup is supposed to be about having fun, not doing everything precise, in my opinion. Okay, that blended out beautifully actually. Okay. I am unfortunately very much loving this. I'm gonna go in with this shade finally, and I'm gonna put that here to like there, and then I'm gonna use maps and blend them together. Yeah, we see that, we see it. I'm gonna take the GH30 again and very gently blend this sucker out. The gentlest of touches. I'm gonna leave the look here. I'm gonna put on mascara and a lipstick, and I'll be right back. Well, this is the finished eye look. Overall, so far for first impression wise, I'm really loving this eyeshadow palette. The mattes blended seamlessly. The metallics need to be wet, but as long as they're wet, they are beautiful. And yeah, I mean, so far this is an amazing palette, and I'm definitely excited to keep trying it, and I truly hope that I will enjoy it. I hope you guys enjoyed this first impression. I will definitely put a mini tutorial for this look up so that, you know, if anyone wants to follow this video, then you don't have to watch a whole video. You can just watch like a 2-minute video of me doing it.